Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mr. Know-It-All here. Today we're going to announce a new partnership. Mr. Know-It-All has partnered with Traders Gateway, which is basically an advertising service for new coins and already existing coins to kind of get their name out there. And also, Traders Gateway offers Masternode tools and statistics. Check it out, guys. Traders Gateway. TradersGateway.net. Here you guys go. We have like a standard coin listing and an express coin listing. And guess what, guys? My reviews are on his site, and I'm glad to say that we are partnered, and I really wish we can do some good stuff here for everyone. All right, guys, let's get back into it here. We're doing a coin review today for Biblepay, and Biblepay is on Traders Gateway. Make sure you guys check that out. It's actually pretty cool. It's kind of like Masternodes on online, but I would say it's much, much better. You got a coin review about it. I've heard that maybe there's going to be some sort of monitoring service. You know, all this stuff is in the works, guys. So let us know, or let me know in my Discord, or if you want to get the latest and greatest on Traders Gateway service, make sure you guys join their Discord. I'll post the link down below. Also, make sure you guys like and subscribe, guys. I do this content for you guys, and I wanted to announce a partnership today. So let's get to it. Biblepay, here we go. Biblepay is, check out their Discord here. They have a full member, guys, a full member. That means they taking this stuff very seriously. They have a lot of different links and on their Bitcoin talk thread here. So this looks very good. They've been around for a while now. I believe Biblepay has been around, since like January. Unfortunately, they kind of lost a lot of value, like a lot of cryptos did during this bear run. But I think they have some good things planned, and they're going to be doing some great things. So let's get into it. All right, their volume kind of lacking right now. However, this is an established coin, and it's been around, like I said, since January. So we'll kind of ignore the volume right now as an indicator. They are on some good exchanges: Crypto Bridge, Coin Exchange, and South Exchange. Those are all exchanges that need to be paid for listing. They do have a Reddit. Now, on all my previous coin reviews, I don't think I've ever seen a Reddit. I think that's something very important. Let's actually check that out. Let's check out the Reddit right now. So it looks like it's pretty active, updated 10 days ago. I mean, that's pretty good. They have 357 subscribers. This looks great. Looks like they do weekly updates on their YouTube. Man, they got a YouTube channel. That's great. They got a lot of good marketing things going on here. I like to see that. So let's check out their Block Explorer. Let's go to the top 100 wallets here. They are under the 50% for top 25. So that's good. That's within the range. Let's check out their website here. So Biblepay is a charity-focused cryptocurrency. They donate to charities. So they have a use case for their coin, which is a very wonderful one. Obviously, they are donating to the cause and trying to help whoever they can. Amen to that, right? Make sure you guys hit the like button on this. This is all for you guys. So it looks like they have 4 partner charities right now. Looks pretty good to me as far as a use case is concerned. Now, I don't think they disclosed their team. Biblepay does have a team. I might have just overlooked that before under their About Us page. If you scroll all the way to the bottom here, they have their team exposed here. So, make sure you guys check them out. They're a solid project. And make sure you guys like and subscribe, too. They do have a blog, which is great. I rarely see blogs in any of these newer coins. So I think that this is very good for the longevity of this coin. Here are their charities. What else we got here? So here we go. They have a few different block explorers. Here's their white paper. Let's check their white paper out. Guys, this is not financial advice. Just want to remind you guys of that. Let's check this out. This was made April 12th, 2018. Okay. So you guys can check this out, but their white paper looks pretty detailed here. Biblepay one-pager. They give a one-pager. That's very nice. They max out supply at 5.2 coins by 2050. Okay. So the Biblepay network is self-regulated by a series of masternodes known as sanctuaries. These masternodes enable the private send. Okay, so basically decentralized autonomous organization. Very good. Proof of Bible hash detail. So this is their algorithm. They're using the X11 algorithm, I believe. Is X11 hashed? Yep. So you guys can check this out. It looks like they have a very favorable project here for donating to different organizations to obviously help the needy. Yeah, so that's good. I think they have a great use case. The Masternode, they have extremely low inflation on their coin. If you guys look, it's a 1.55 million coin collateral, and it's only generating not even 1 Masternode a day, and there's already 238 nodes. So, guys, it's a very low inflation. That gets a check mark. Let's go through it. Bitcoin talk thread, full member, check mark. Volume, kind of gets an X. I have to say that, but does get an X for right now. They get some low volume. The exchanges that they're on gets a check mark. The coin inflation gets a check mark. The coin distribution gets a check mark. And the use case gets a check mark. So I will overall rate this project an 8 out of 10. I think this is a solid project. And thanks for listening, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.